Welcome back, guys. Myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur and Delhi. In this video, we will cover the topic. If you want to import if you want to deal in ammonium nitrate, right? You want to sell, you want to store, or you want to deal indirectly in the ammonium nitrate, right? So how the approvals required for the dealing in the ammonium nitrate in any way, right, directly or indirectly? What are the licenses required? How much time it will take for getting the licenses, right? What are the documentation required for applying the licenses, right? And in addition to that, what are the additional approval required for granting the licenses, right? First of all, the if you want to deal in the ammonium nitrate, import, sell, store, right? So you want to deal in any way, first of all you have required the PESO license from the PESO authority. It works under the ministry of the central government, right? Up thereafter we will discuss what are the benefits of the getting the PESO license. First of all, the PESO authority has imposed a legal requirement on the importer or any person who are dealing in ammonium nitrate in any manner, buy or sell, dealing, or storing the ammonium nitrate, right? So first of all, it will ensure the legal compliance are ensured, right? Thereafter, enhance safety. By doing this, the PESO authority will ensure that it will provide a safety to the others, because dealing in the ammonium nitrate is very hazardous for the other persons, right? And there are so much of benefits given here and there, right? Thereafter we will discuss the process for applying the PESO license. First of all, determine the type of license required, right? If you are importing a ammonium nitrate, right, first of all identify in which class you are required to apply the PESO license, right? After identification of the category for applying the license, thereafter the applicant will collect the following documents for applying the license. First of all, applicant will ready the form P3 and required identity and address proof for applicant, recent passport size photograph, NOC from local authorities, legal possession documents, lease deed, details of storage facility, right? These are the documentation which are required for applying the license, right? The fees, the government fees will be initial approval will be 1000 and grant of license 2000, right? This is the fees for the PESO license. Thereafter, what is the validity of the PESO license for you are using the ammonium nitrate? The validity of the license will be 3 years, and you can renew after the 3 years, right? And renewal application has to be made in the manner which is provided under rules 165 of the explosive rules 2008. So this is the complete process for applying the PESO license for ammonium nitrate. I hope this video is very helpful, and it will provide the stuff for applying the PESO license for the ammonium nitrate. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any query related to this, you can also connect on the number given on the screen. Thank you.